is up today? Welcome to Keeping Up with 70, and we're going to talk about, let's just say, Amazon Echo is in the news. Amazon, is it really time for an upgrade for your Echo device? I'm just saying, I think it's time for an update, an upgrade. The smart speaker category has exploded since Amazon Echo first made its debut. How many of you have an Amazon Echo? Not me. No. How many of you prefer just using your phone as your voice assistant and that's it? I'm just saying. Or, how many of you have the Google Home? I'm wondering. I always want that Google Home. That Google Home is kind of cool. Anyway, Amazon, besides Google Home, Google Home is nothing part of this story, so, okay. Anyway, if you were the lucky ones like me, then you managed to snag the original Amazon Echo for only $100 shortly after Amazon first introduced at the end of 2014. So Amazon Echo has been around since 2014 before Google Home just sliced right in there. Sliced right in there. Okay? Basically, that's what I hear. So, seems like Amazon Echo should need an upgrade. Maybe it should be called Amazon Echo, I don't know, 2.2. Or, maybe they should just call it Echo 2.2. Or 2.2. Or Echo 2. Echo 2 or Echo 3D. Oh, 3D. I'm just saying. Along besides all that, Amazon actually released its Rockstar devices called the Echo Dot, the ultra affordable Echo Dot, to be refreshed as the second gen Echo. So basically, there is many devices besides Amazon Echo. There is the Echo Dot as the second gen Echo Dot. Maybe they should release another one as Echo Dot 3.3. I'm just saying. Maybe it could be a third gen Echo of Amazon. The boom in third-party Alexa devices has brought even more gadgets into play. So, in everything from lamps and refrigerators to thermostats and yoga robots. Yoga robots? What the heck is that? Is that one of those videos that you see online and they blow like a inflatable robot thing up and you do yoga with it? It's kind of interesting. Oh, now I see it. Okay. So, that is what's new on that one. So, let me know what your thoughts on this one. Do you have an Amazon Echo? Do you have a Google Home? I think, Amazon gonna release a third gen Echo? I'm wondering. Is it? Is it really? Because it's gotten so much popular over time. So what do you think? Let me know what your thoughts in the comments below. The comments below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and follow me all events of Ask Sandy's Live. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe for more videos.